Hello guys, what's going on in the crypto industry? Is Luna back after the big collapse? How could this happen? With lots of questions in mind, I'm again here. Welcome back to the channel. This is Capital Alpha, where we talk about the latest news in cryptocurrency and all you need to know in the world of finance. We're back with another incredible video, so please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of each new upload. Without further ado, let's get started. The sudden collapse of the Terra ecosystem on May 9th shook the crypto community. Everything came crashing down once its algorithmic stablecoin, UST, lost its dollar parity, leaving many investors with nothing, as Luna has simply dropped to $0. See our previous video to learn more about that. Because of the way the algorithm works, this presented a fantastic arbitrage opportunity for traders, allowing them to redeem 1 UST for $1 worth of Luna. This design was meant to damage the UST and restrict its supply, hence increasing its value. However, selling pressure was intense, and UST never returned to its $1 price. This allowed traders to print Luna in excess, resulting in a large supply of more than 6 trillion Luna in just a few days. Needless to say, such rapid supply expansion with no way to absorb it led to the inevitable. Luna's price plummeted to $0. In the event that happened in crypto history, the entire Terra ecosystem was wiped out, and billions of dollars fled from the market in less than a week. When all this is happening, Terra 2.0 comes into play. No algorithmic stablecoins this time, just wow. Do Kwon, the protocol's founder and CEO, presented a rebirth plan, arguing that Terra is not only UST. Without getting into the specifics of how the project evolved over a few weeks, the Terra community and validators voted and accepted the plan, and the tone was set. The majority of voters supported co-founder Do Kwon's plans to fix the ecosystem. Terra 2.0 is on its way, the company said on Twitter. The Terra ecosystem has overwhelmingly supported Proposal 1623, which calls for creating a new blockchain and the preservation of our community. Around 200 million votes were cast in favor of the plan, reaching almost 65% of the total. 41 million people voted no, while 54 million people did not vote. This was a big surprise. The idea is to create a new Terra chain that will not contain an algorithmic stablecoin. The old chain will be known as Terra Classic, and its Luna will be known as LUNC. The token for the new chain will be called Luna. Several exchanges, including Binance, have expressed support for the plan. Delisting woes. Binance and OKX delisted the cryptocurrency, and UST to protect their customers. Both exchanges said that Luna 2.0 would be accepted. On May 26th, OKX announced that Luna and UST withdrawal and deposit will be temporarily halted. OKX also stated, these two markets will be delisted, so that these tokens can be renamed LUNC and USTC. However, Luna is highly volatile. Carefully manage your risk. According to his perspective, the entire industry needs to set a high threshold when it comes to considering whether they list or invest in stablecoins that are backed by things like algorithms. He further added, if you're going to establish something stable that's backed by volatile assets, it's going to be really important that you set a high collateralization ratio. So, how truly dumb really are these crypto gamblers? Meanwhile, Binance said on Twitter, Terra Network airdrop will be distributed on #Binance. According to Binance, the new Terra 2.0 token Luna will be awarded to qualified users under the project's distribution strategy. A separate announcement will be made on the payout ratio per account. Billy Marcus, co-founder of Dogecoin, didn't hold back his sentiments, tweeting that Luna 2.0 will expose the world just how incredibly idiotic crypto gamblers truly are. There are specific parties that will receive airdrops of the new Luna coins. The community pool will receive 30% of the token distribution, with developers receiving 10%. Holders of Luna before the crash will receive 35% of the new tokens. Holders of pre-crash UST will receive 10% of the new coins. After the crash, Luna holders will receive 10% of the new tokens, including staking derivatives. 30% of the tokens will be unlocked at Genesis, with the remaining 70% vested over 2 years, with a 6-month cliff. Terra will distribute the new LUNC tokens to all Luna holders, who have at least 10,000 Luna tokens or less, in order to ensure that minor Luna holders have comparable initial liquidity profiles. To make Terra a truly community-owned chain, the governance will also remove Terraform Labs' TFL wallet off the whitelist for the airdrop. Furthermore, a significant amount of the token will be assigned to Terra DApp developers to ensure the long-term sustainability of the ecosystem and network security. Terra Luna's recovery will be determined by how well its developers and governance team prepare fundamental public infrastructure, wallets, and gen files, execute the debut, give oversight on critical development projects, and operate as the new chain's steering committee. But what about Terra's future? What does it bring for us? Well, the future of Terra, Luna, relies on its successful rebrand and launch. The team is on the way to a recovery plan with the Terra community's strong support to give Luna a rebirth. Popular Terra classic projects Nebula, Prism, Random Earth, and several others will be migrating to the new Terra. As of May 27th, the Luna Classic price stood at $0.0001313, according to the official coin market cap. As the new LUNC coin is very early, it is extremely hard to predict its further direction. An algorithm-based forecasting service, Price Prediction, shows that the new coin averaged at $0.00017 in 2022, rising to an average of $0.00052 in 2025, and averaging at $0.003 by 2030. Yet these predictions are based on algorithms and do not consider the current situation. A rebranding to try to preserve the cryptocurrency and reclaim community trust will be dependent on how the launch goes, and if the Terra team can complete the airdrop goal as promised. Andy Leon, head of the Netherlands-registered crypto trading site Big One Exchange, stated that the Terra community is still strong, but he is unsure how long it will remain. They're willing to make improvements. Some even go so far as to mail their own wallet to the burn address to assist in restricting supply. This is the type of dedication you see on the ground. However, such initiatives by the community are only temporary and will not persist long if the underlying concerns are not addressed. They must clearly indicate how the funds were managed and who is involved throughout the process. Leon feels that for Terra 2.0 forking to work, the project needs trust and transparency, which will ensure a positive perspective and rapid growth. Many people in the market are only interested in price. The truth is that regardless of the price or the outcome of the fork, the more concerning problem is to stabilize the projects in their present ecosystem and allow them to transition their dApps and apps to the new blockchain so that there's no downtime. Price predictions might be inaccurate and should not be used instead of your own research. You should always conduct your own research. Remember that cryptocurrencies are extremely volatile, and you should never invest or trade money that you cannot afford to lose. Now we're going to summarize today's video. Many things were said about Luna's founder, and there are many hidden secrets because the real reason for Luna's collapse is still hidden. One of the popular influencers also criticized the founder, and South Korea interfered in the case. Many investors have already lost faith in the Luna ecosystem, but those who remain invested are encouraged by this update. Looking at the voting results, 60% still support the initiative and expect that Luna 2.0 will return to regular operations. We know that the Luna dump is attracting much attention as the crypto community begins to feel uncomfortable even with stablecoins. The market suffers a significant volume drop due to the panic. We're confident that Luna 2.0, with the cooperation of many exchanges and industry professionals, can salvage the crypto market. We hope the overall crypto market may recover, and if Luna makes the expected comeback, we may see a decrease in the fear score. So what do you think about the Luna listing on Binance? Will Terra recover in a better way? Leave your comments below, and tell us what are your thoughts on the recent few weeks of insane puzzle game. That concludes today's video. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of new uploads. This is Capital Alpha, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!